Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart. I want to let you know about a class that we have coming up on September 13th. This is going to be Google 100K annually with Google My Business. This is the class that I've trained agents all over the United States and Canada for years and years on. This is a proven method, and we're going to show you in this hands-on workshop via Zoom, where you're going to be able to go out and get this all set up, get all the questions answered, start to actually apply and move forward with this tool, which by the way is completely free. So I'm gonna show you all of that on the 13th. Then after the session, we're gonna go in and offer to the office one-on-one sessions with me. Now the KW Bel Air office will be coordinating all of this, but these are what I call tech triage sessions. We're gonna find where the tech is hurting you, and we're gonna go find the medicine to make that better. Is that going to be hardware, software, KW, non-KW, lead generation, recruiting websites, video, and so much more? Whatever pain point you're having with technology, we're going to go in and we're going to discuss that and give you some action items to make that better. So this is going to be a power-packed session. Looking forward to seeing all of you on the Zoom session, September 13th. Thanks.